Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you the new Beas Manufacturing web app, Pull Report, which is the web version of the desktop Beas function. With this app, you can create a pull report. The idea of the pull report is to display the work for one worker for the next 1 or 2 days. The employee can easily see and check their work sequences for the upcoming short period. These tasks can also be logged in. The optional material availability check shows whether the required material is available, and only operations from the current pool are displayed. The app consists of 3 tabs. In the first tab, Resource, you can select a resource to work with from the currently available resources. The system reloads the list only if the app is started or if you select Reload the application in the WebApp header, because the calculation of the pull report can take time. You can see if you are already logged into a resource, someone else is logged in, or that no one is logged in. You can also see if a resource is logged or open, or if any interruption is running currently. After selecting the resource, the app switches to the next tab. The Operations tab displays all operations of the pull report and the resource selected in the first tab. The operations are sorted according to predetermined pull priority, working identically in the desktop terminal version. Here you can find various information of the operation: work order document number, work order position, routing position, and work order number, customer information, plant start date and time, description of the operation, item name, and material check information. In the final tab, you can find the details to the selected operation. Apart from document numbers, you can see planned and booked quantities, resource information, if it was started, how long the operation has been running, check instructions by selecting the footprint symbol, find images under the Attachments button, and start or stop the operation. The attachments are images that are linked from the operation and the item master data stored in the desktop version. Currently, it is not possible to attach images in the web app. The app shows only the first image attached in the operation and only if it is an image file, so a PDF would not be displayed. The Bill of Materials list is displayed in the bottom area of this tab. Please note that the BOM with negative quantity is not supported. With the Start button, you can start the operation directly in the Pull Report app. When stopping an operation, the system opens the Work Order Stop web app, where you can insert all necessary information again. After this, the system goes back to the Pull Report app Resource tab. For icon descriptions, color codes in the BOM list, and more, please visit our documentation. Thank you very much for your attention.